Life does not warn us when it is passing. One day feels long. Years feel short. Right now, at this very moment, you are spending your life. Every morning feels the same. You wake up, check your phone, go through the motions, and suddenly the day is over. Weeks pass, months disappear, and you barely remember what happened. Life is not meant to blur like this. Look around. Notice the sunrise, the sounds of the world outside, the little things that are always there but often ignored. A small walk, a smile from a stranger, a new flower on the street. These are moments that remind you life is happening. If you let days repeat without attention, your life becomes a series of blank pages. Routine without awareness erases memories, erases growth, erases opportunity. So pause for a moment. Be present. Feel the air on your skin. Notice what you usually ignore. Life may seem long, but it's shorter than you think. These small moments are your real wealth. They are what make time meaningful. Every day, choices demand your attention, but not every choice deserves it. We spend our energy on things that seem urgent but are not important. Social media, unnecessary arguments, endless tasks, they all steal time. Imagine your life as a garden. Each choice is a seed. Some grow into strong trees, others wither away. Which seeds do you water? Which do you let go? Choosing what matters means prioritizing what grows you, what brings meaning, what leaves a mark. Busy is not equal to meaningful. You can be productive and still waste your life if your energy goes to the wrong places. Focus on what aligns with your values, your dreams, and your purpose. Every small decision compounds into the life you will eventually live. Learn to say no without guilt. Learn to focus without distraction. Your future is built one conscious choice at a time, every single day. Attention is the most precious currency you have. Where your focus goes, life follows. If you are constantly pulled in 100 directions, time slips away unnoticed. Look at your day. How much of it is spent on distractions? Phones, notifications, unimportant tasks. They steal fragments of your life until suddenly weeks have gone. Protect your attention like a treasure because it determines the quality of your experiences. Being mindful doesn't mean doing nothing. It means choosing carefully where you invest your energy, your thoughts, and your time. When you pay attention to what truly matters, learning, relationships, growth, health, life begins to feel fuller, richer, and more meaningful. This is not theory. Practice it daily. Close unnecessary tabs, silence the noise, and focus on one thing at a time. Life rewards those who respect the power of attention. Life is too short to spend with the wrong people. Some come into your life only to take energy. Others bring joy and growth. Learning to recognize the difference is one of the most important skills you can develop. Imagine your life as a table. Every person you spend time with takes a seat. Some seats lift you, make you stronger, make your journey lighter. Others drain you, pull you down, distract you from what matters. The people who stay and truly care are the diamonds in your life. Choose wisely. Value those who bring peace, who support your growth, who celebrate small wins with you. Let go of those who bring toxicity, jealousy, or constant drama. Excitement fades, but respect, love, and loyalty last. Every relationship is a choice. Every choice shapes your days and your future. Treasure those who stay. Protect them. And don't waste your life chasing approval from those who don't matter. Most of us spend our lives chasing approval from teachers, parents, friends, colleagues, even strangers online. We adjust, conform, perform, hoping someone will say, "You are enough." But here's the truth. Approval is fleeting. It never lasts. And relying on it to measure your worth is like building a house on sand. Imagine this. You run toward a group of people, trying to fit in. You change your words, your appearance, your choices. For a moment, you feel included, appreciated. But then, inevitably, they move on. Someone else catches their attention. Someone else becomes better in their eyes. And you are left exhausted, frustrated, questioning yourself. This is the trap. Approval gives temporary pleasure, but it costs long-term peace. Self-respect, on the other hand, is like an unshakable foundation. It doesn't fluctuate based on who likes you today or tomorrow. It grows quietly, steadily, and compounds over time. How do you cultivate it? Start small. Make decisions based on your values, not on what others might think. Speak your truth calmly. Choose actions that feel right for your life, not for someone else's standards. The more you honor yourself, the more life aligns with you. Approval may come occasionally, but self-respect lasts forever. Here's a practical tip. Each morning, ask yourself one question. What would I do today if no one else's opinion mattered? Plan your day around that. Notice how your energy changes when you stop seeking external validation. That feeling is freedom, and it's addictive in the best way. Live not to impress. Live to grow, to explore, to love, and to experience life fully. That is the freedom everyone secretly longs for. And once you taste it, no external approval can ever control your peace again. Most people think work is just about money or survival, but meaningful work is much more than that. It is what shapes your skills, your mindset, and your future. Every small step you take today compounds over time, like bricks building a house you will live in years from now. Imagine climbing a ladder. Each rung represents a skill, an experience, a lesson. You may feel slow progress, or even struggle, but each step strengthens you. The person you will become tomorrow is built by the work you do quietly today. Here's the secret. Don't only chase dream jobs or shortcuts. Look for work that teaches you resilience, focus, and growth. Even tasks that seem small or repetitive have value if approached consciously. They train you to master patience, discipline, and skill, traits that no degree or title can give you overnight. Let's make it practical. Ask yourself daily, does this task grow me in some way? If yes, commit fully. If not, consider delegating, ignoring, or reshaping it. Life is too short to waste energy on things that don't build your foundation. Finally, remember that work is also a reflection of your purpose. The more you align your tasks with your values, the more fulfilling they become. Struggle may exist, but satisfaction, growth, and confidence are the rewards that stay long after the paycheck is gone.
Life is short, but not meaningless. The way we spend our days quietly becomes the life we live. Time perception, priorities, relationships, purpose, health, and growth. These are not separate chapters. They are choices we make every single day. You don't need to have everything figured out today. You only need to start living a little more intentionally than yesterday. Protect your time. Invest in people who matter. Build work that builds you back. Because one day, without warning, ordinary moments will become memories. Life is short. Spend your life wisely.